Hello everyone, Bryan from Constellation here, and today we will go over a few quick troubleshooting tips for when your AC isn't turning on. We are creating this series of videos to ensure your home stays efficient and safe and all your maintenances are up to date. That being said, please like our page so we can keep helping you with all your home service needs. Check the thermostat to ensure it's in the cool mode. So this one's simple. Go to your thermostat and make sure the mode isn't in the off or fan position. Also, make sure the temperature that your thermostat is set for is lower than the temperature in your house. Make sure your outdoor unit is unobstructed by vegetation, like leaves, shrubs, or tall grass. If you notice any obstructions, gently remove the debris from around the system. If needed, run your water hose over the radiator gently. Do not use a pressure washer. Check the fuse or breaker box to ensure it's in the on position. The breaker box could be in your laundry room, basement, or garage, and in some homes it may be outside. Check the disconnect switch to ensure it's in the on position. There may be one on both your indoor and outdoor unit. If you have a furnace, check to see that the furnace blower motor is running. The furnace blower will run in the cool mode. If not, check the on-off switch at the furnace to see it's in the on position. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please comment below or call Constellation directly.